Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you my Michaels and Joann's hauls. So I did their buy online pickup in store at Michaels. They were doing a promotion a couple days ago and you got an extra 20% off. So I went ahead and picked it up this morning. So let me try to sort this out actually, because I ran up to Joann's before I went to Michael's, so I'm trying to figure out which is which here. Okay, so first of all I got some clear gesso. This is the Finnabair Art Basics. Haven't tried this before. It got good reviews and it's got almost 8.5 ounces. I thought this was a good deal because I believe it's normally $10 and then they have 40% off Finnabair, Tim Holtz, and I believe maybe Dina Wakley this week, and then so that and the extra 20% off of this. And then I picked up some of Tim Holtz's Distress Collage Medium. I also have not tried this before. I've just been watching and re-watching a lot of his videos from like Creativation, and I really wanted to try this. I would really like to try his vintage collage medium, the one that has kind of a brown glaze. So if any of you have tried that, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, or if you've tried this or the micro glaze or any of the newer collage mediums. And then they had his Distress Oxides were also on sale, so I picked up I've just been slowly collecting the colors that have been in stores, so I wanted to get some of the more kind of faded out colors, because the first time I went and got some of his, I got all like really bright ones. So went ahead and got Vintage Photo and Fossilized Amber. And then I picked up just, this is a 16 ounce white gesso. It's just the Artist Loft brand. I believe I used 40% off on that. That was another cool thing, is that when I was ordering online, they will let you put more than one coupon in your cart, which is really cool. And then, oh, this is going into the Joann's haul actually. I did pick up one of those lap trays, the plastic ones with that you set on your lap and you can do crafts like on the surface, and it's got a cup holder and like a little holder for your art supplies. So I know a few of you said that you have those and you like them, so I finally just picked one up today when I was in the store. So like I said, I went up to Joann's. This is almost all Tim Holtz, I'm realizing. Like I said though, I've been watching a ton of his videos lately, so I finally picked up these. I have not tried these before either, and I like that there's two. And it comes with a few extra of the foams, because I know it's usually suggested that you use one foam per color, so we'll see how it goes. And then they also had at Joann's 40% off all designer paper crafts. So that included Tim Holtz, Maggie Holmes, Heidi Swap, and a couple of others. So these were two colors that they had at Joann's but not at Michael's. So frayed burlap and peacock feathers. And I picked up frayed burlap in particular because I watched him do a demo on this one. He said that this is actually his favorite oxide because of the way it oxidizes. So if anyone wants to see me play with these, I definitely will. I've noticed that the haul videos are usually doing better than like the process or DIY videos, so just let me know, because I like to do the other stuff too, but you know, only if people are into it. So they had this on clearance. They actually had quite a bit on clearance, and this is the, I know it's Damask, I cannot remember the actual name of the stencil. I think it's called, oh, it's called Gothic, and it's a layering stencil. This is one of the large ones, and it was $3.47 on clearance. They had quite a bit of Tim Holtz's stuff, a lot of the like ideology trinkets and things like that. And so if you're in the Phoenix area, it was the Joanns on North Tatum Boulevard in that outdoor mall. So I also picked up this. This is called Worn Wallpaper, and it's really pretty. It's all 5x8 papers. It's 24 sheets, so this would fit perfectly in a journal. And here are the prints on the back. Just thought it was a really pretty kind of a basic vintage pad that, you know, would have a lot of uses. And a lot of the papers, like these with the more subdued backgrounds, you could definitely write on those. So I thought this was a really good deal because I think it's normally only like maybe $5, and I think I got it for around $3 or less. And I also picked up this big guy. It is a Wilton cake layout and design mat. I'm actually going to try it on my craft table because it is silicone, and it also it's a baking mat, so that means that you can use your heat tools on it. And I think this would be good for polymer clay. I think it would have a lot of uses. So this one is quite large. It's almost 32 inches by 24 inches. So that will be fun to give that a whirl. I used a coupon on that. It's originally $14.99, so I got 40% off on that. And I think that's it. Feels like I got way more than that, but yeah, so anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're having an awesome week so far, and I will see you soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.